Question 1. An inductor is said to be saturated when A. The current is at a maximum. B. It will no longer accept lines of flux. C. The current through it is zero. Justification. In saturation, the core cannot accept additional magnetic flux. Question 2. The controlling phase on a two-phase generator is of A. Fixed amplitude. B. Variable amplitude. C. Direct current. Justification. In a two-phase generator, one phase is usually fixed, and the other is adjustable. Question 3. How many brushes are used in an 8-pole wavewound machine? A. 2. B. 6. C. 8. Justification. A wavewound machine typically has 2 brushes, regardless of pole count. Question 4. A high-pass filter consists of A. A capacitor and an inductor in series. B. A capacitor and an inductor in parallel. C. An inductor and a capacitor in parallel. Justification. A high-pass filter blocks low frequencies while allowing high frequencies. Question 5. For an atom to become a negative ion, it must A. Gain at least 1 electron. B. Lose at least 1 electron. C. Have undergone ionization by the sun. Justification. A negative ion forms when an atom gains an extra electron. Question 6. The maximum number of electrons in the M shell of an atom is A. 6. B. 16. C. 18. Justification. The M shell corresponds to the third energy level, which can hold up to 18 electrons. Question 7. A neutral atom with an atomic number of 3 has how many electrons? A. 1. B. 3. C. Dependent on the type of atom. Justification. Atomic number equals number of protons equals number of electrons in a neutral atom. Question 8. The nucleus of an atom is A. Positively charged. B. Neutral. C. Negatively charged. Justification. The nucleus contains protons, positive, and neutrons, neutral, making it overall positive. Question 9. Electron orbits are called A. Shells. B. Waves. C. Valences. Justification. Electron energy levels around the nucleus are called shells. Question 10. A capacitor with brown, black, and orange bands has a value of A. 10 picofarads. B. 10 nanofarads. C. 100 picofarads. Justification. Color code: brown 1, black 0, orange times 1000, 10,000 pf equals 100 pf.